Hello friends, welcome back in today's lecture. I am Dr. Milind Meshram, working as an assistant professor in the Department of Chemistry, KTHM College, Nashik. In the last lecture, we have seen the various methods. Now we will see the side chain oxidation of various derivatives of benzene. Side chain oxidation is more susceptible to the oxidation in the presence of potassium permanganate. Okay, so when side chain oxidation of benzene derivative okay, so oxidation of this benzene side chain, alkyl side chain, is more susceptible to the oxidation in the presence of oxidative reagent. For example, potassium permanganate, for example, that is KMnO4, potassium dichromate, and even dilute nitric acid can also be used to oxidize the side chain of these of the alkyl chain. Okay. For example, let us have this example: benzene, butyl benzene, so we have this long chain of this butane. So when you react with hot KMnO4, so this reaction will give you the benzoic acid. Okay, this is the benzoic acid. Plus CO2. So when you react this alkyl benzene with the hot KMnO4, it gives rise to benzoic acid along with the carbon dioxide. Okay, so this is the oxidation of this alkyl chain. So this reaction can be used in the preparation of aromatic acid. Particularly, this reaction can be used to synthesize the aromatic acid and identification of the alkyl chain. Okay, whether that alkyl chain is present in the benzene molecule or not. So this reaction can be used for the identification of alkyl benzene. Okay, a alkyl chain present in the alkyl benzene. So let us see the various other examples. So in this reaction, when we react this alkyl benzene, for example, if I treat this toluene with KMnO4, hot KMnO4, which give the benzoic acid. Okay. So if I have this CH and CH3 and this isopropyl group, when they react with KMnO4, will also give benzoic acid. On the other hand, suppose I have this tertiary butyl group here. So when I treat this with KMnO4, so this reaction will not undergo. Okay, so that means the alkyl chain which is attached to the benzene ring, that group must have the presence of hydrogen. Okay, but in this group there is no hydrogen atom, so that means this reaction will not undergo. But in this reaction there is a presence of one hydrogen. Okay, so these two reactions will take place and will give the benzoic acid. Okay, so let us have the other example. For example, we have this system. When you react with KMnO4, so it would give phthalic acid. Okay, so it would give the phthalic acid. So here we have two alkyl. Okay, two alkyl group. So both the alkyl group will oxidize. Okay, so this is the one of the best method to prepare this phthalic acid. Suppose we have this kind of substituted group. This is nothing but this CH2 CH3. So when you treat this with KMnO4, so it gives rise to isophthalic acid. Okay, this is phthalic acid and this is isophthalic acid. So both these alkyl group will oxidize. Okay, in this case both the alkyl group will oxidize to give this isophthalic acid. In this case, both the methylene groups are oxidized to give this phthalic acid. And here isophthalic acid. Okay. So if we have tri-substituted, so all of them will oxidize. Okay, so this is how this side chain oxidation with the help of KMnO4. So even you can use the potassium dichromate and dilute nitric acid to accomplish this oxidation as well. Okay, so here we have used the KMnO4 to oxidize the side chain alkyl group. Okay, so this basically this reaction will involve the free radical mechanism. Okay, this is all about the today's session. I hope you enjoyed this session and understood as well. So in the next lecture we will see the next chapter, that is deals with the alkyl and aryl halides. Okay, thank you very much.